Okay, so if audio is not working in your computer, you added an external mic or the internal mic of your computer is not working. What do you need to do in that case? Press Windows button and then search here control panel. And now you see this option hardware and sound. Click on hardware and sound, then click on sound. And now you see this is a playback. So all the speakers which generate the audio on your devices will be shown here. But if you go to recording, here all the devices which take the audio will be displayed here. You can see right now audio is working because I fixed it. But in case, choose the audio mic which you want to troubleshoot. For example, this is my external mic. So what I need to do is right click and then click on properties and then go here to levels. Click on this and then click OK. And when you will go back to your OBS, you will see the mic will start working. Or if you are using any other application, mic will start working. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and share this video with somebody and check out other useful tutorial on my channel.